My name is Michael Young, and I'm a lawyer who handles contested estates in Texas. One of the common areas of dispute that I see in the contested estates that I handle are disputes over the existence of a marriage. Now, with a formal civil marriage, the disputes are usually rare. It's not difficult to establish the existence and date of a marriage. However, there tend to be significant disputes over the existence and date of a common law marriage. And the reason that's so important is that can have a significant impact on the distribution of the estate and the rights of the person who's claiming to be a spouse. So, how do you establish the existence of a common law marriage in Texas? Well, the Texas Family Code sets out several requirements. Family Code Section 2.401 states that the proof necessary to establish a common law or informal marriage in Texas that includes that the man and woman agreed to be married. The second is after the agreement they live together in Texas as husband and wife. And finally, they represented to others that they were married. The first two are typically not difficult to establish by at least some testimony. Typically, the surviving person who claims to be the spouse is going to provide some testimony and that they agreed to be married, and there'll probably be some ancillary evidence of that. And typically, it's not difficult to prove that they live together. The highly contested area is whether or not they represented to others that they were married. And this is a highly fact intensive inquiry. You have to look at the facts and circumstances. And some of the factors that the courts look at include would there be testimony from others in the community that they introduced themselves as husband and wife at social functions? Did they file their income taxes as a couple as opposed to individually? What did the mail say? What did the bills say? Did they have joint checking accounts? There are a number of different factors that you have to look at to evaluate whether or not there is sufficient proof of a common law marriage in Texas.